I'm looking at let's find, the first thing we want to find is how big is the head in relation to the body, the ratio head to body. Typically, the classical ratio is 1 to 7.5, right? Meaning the head will fit in the body 7.5 times, right? So let's see here, right? Let's see here. Actually, I'm gonna use this tool so you can see better, right? You can see better what I'm doing, right? This is a naval divider and is very useful to demonstrate, but don't use this tool when you draw life drawing, because you don't want to use tool. You want to just use this. That's it, right? Don't rely too much on tools, but this will help us to see, to understand the concept, right? So I'm looking at this now. This David, God bless him, has got the head full of hair, right? So how do we deal with this? Well, we're going to include the hair, right? Because it makes no sense to try to figure out where is the cranium, right? But in the pure method, you would have a bald head and measure just the measure of the head. But in this case, we are going to move a little bit more already toward the practical application of this method to the practice of figure drawing. So I'm going to take the head with the hair and everything and go down to the chin, right? This is the head. I come down from here, and I see that is at the nipple. See that? And then the next head is very close to the navel. See that? This is now at the bottom of the genitals. And this forehead, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7.5. Okay, it's canonical, right? Good. So what we can do this, right? And this is to demonstrate how this works. I'm looking now, I'm blocking the head of the David, right? I look at the head of the David and I'm thinking, okay, it's not facing me, it's slightly tilted and on the side.